Revive your hair with Keune Hair Repair Treatment. Restore and strengthen. Is your hair feeling damaged from heat styling, coloring, or environmental factors? Keune Hair Repair Treatment is the solution you've been looking for. This intensive treatment is designed to restore and strengthen your hair, leaving it looking and feeling healthier than ever before. Repair damaged hair. With the unique blend of ingredients in Keune Hair Repair Treatment, you can repair even the most damaged hair. The nourishing formula penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing long-lasting hydration and repair to each strand. Say goodbye to dry, brittle hair and hello to soft, smooth locks. Protect against future damage. Not only does Keune Hair Repair Treatment repair existing damage, but it also helps protect against future damage. By strengthening your hair from within, this treatment creates a barrier that shields your strands from the harmful effects of heat styling, UV rays, and more. Keep your hair looking its best day after day. Experience the difference. Don't settle for dull, lifeless hair. Experience the difference with Keune Hair Repair Treatment. Whether your hair is in need of a little extra care or a complete transformation, this treatment has you covered. Say hello to healthy, vibrant hair that shines with beauty. Get your Keune Hair Repair Treatment today. Ready to revive your hair and restore its natural beauty? Visit your nearest Keune salon to experience the amazing benefits of Keune Hair Repair Treatment. Treat yourself to the luxurious treatment your hair deserves and enjoy the results of healthier, stronger hair.